Hello everyone. Today we will draw a caterpillar. Let's get started. Black first. Draw eyes. Let's draw the head. Let's draw the antennae. And now the rest of the body. Coloring time. Dark green. Green. A caterpillar is a larva that after a while turns into a beautiful butterfly. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.